Hi, so healthy family. How are you handling your gift of health? As always, we recommend that you do your best to stay healthy as it is impossible to make the most of life with ill health. Moving on, I have something amazing for you in this video. It is another amazing discovery that you can jump on and change the other room business to a more vibrant experience. So recently, I became very concerned about men and their ability to impregnate their partners. I've had the privilege of working with many families, and by the grace of God, most of them have their babies now. For some men, however, the issue of erectile dysfunction makes them uncomfortable in relationships. But this thing right here in my hand is something you all should keep close in your house. In fact, ask your wife to add it to the list of things she should get the next time she orders things or goes for shopping. This is Ehuru seeds. They come from the Ehuru plant. This plant is known by different names. Some call it ehiri, others ariwo, Jamaican nutmeg, African nutmeg, but the botanical name is MONODORA myristica. There are different studies on this seed and how it can help in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. In one of the studies, the results showed that the seed extract of MONODORA myristica produced significant dose-dependent decrease in the how long intercourse lasts. It also affects mounting latency, intromission latency, and post-ejaculatory interval, with significant increase in all of them, and as well as increase in serum testosterone level, that is the main male hormone. Now, why does this seed work for erectile dysfunction? You see, most cases of erectile dysfunction could be as a result of an issue with the heart and blood flow. This seed can help in a situation where a man has atherosclerosis and cardiovascular diseases. Also, it has anti-diabetic activity. Men, now that you know, don't say I did not share the amazing things Ehuru can do for you. Go and use it, but in moderate quantity though. How to use? Just grind it into powder, then add half teaspoon in a glass of water and drink once a day. This can be taken after meal. Use it for 5 days and observe your performance. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next one. Bye.